This is the capstone. We're going to take everything from this series and execute it once on gold, start to finish. Bias, sweep, change of character, entry, stop, target, and management, the full A+ setup. If the earlier episodes were the pieces, this is the finished machine. Step 1 is bias, and it comes straight from episode 1. Look at the higher time frame and ask, which pool of liquidity is price being drawn toward? Here, the obvious lows have just been swept, leaving trapped sellers as fuel, so our bias is up. We decide direction first. No entry gets considered until we know which way the market is being delivered. Step 2 is the entry trigger. On the lower time frame, price sweeps the stops at the low, then prints a change of character to the upside. Momentum has flipped. We drop to the order block and fair value gap that the impulsive move left behind, and enter as price returns to that zone. Sweep, change of character, then a precise entry from the imbalance. Step 3 is the value filter from episode 6. We mark the dealing range and check equilibrium, and we only take the long if our entry sits in the discount half, ideally the OT zone. If the entry were up in premium, we'd pass, no matter how good it looked. Value has to agree with structure. Here it does, so we're clear to proceed. Prop challenge, or leveling up your own trading. Signal Deck tracks every trade in R with quant-level analytics. Prove your edge. Free. Link in the description. Step 4 is management. The stop goes just beyond the sweep low. If price trades back through there, the idea is wrong. The target is the opposite liquidity pool, the buy side resting at the highs, which is where price is being drawn. As price breaks structure in our favor, we move the stop to break even to protect the trade. Precise entry, clear invalidation, obvious target. That's the full stack. Liquidity draws price, sweeps grab the stops, structure confirms the shift, order blocks and gaps give a precise entry, premium and discount filter it, and kill zones time it. Bias first, tight entries, managed risk, that's trading like a professional. If this series helped the charts, click, subscribe, and start journaling every trade so the data can prove your edge. Thanks for watching.